Lord, tapno may kat dagiti saksakitin ti bagbagi o Lord Jesus kat dawaton mi ti dagito ima nga kakabsat nga nang prepare ti daytoy nga makan ako kat binigito na ako dagiti sort of ti nagapuan na ako kat dati mapa
ninawit mo
Kasi dati mo maluto.
mana ikatum data ta iniintay data may sangay na koy kano hampay na iniintay
They are the good nga pagwadan ti organization association.
mga I'm sure may mga naka-live dyan yung pang
Mapaypayan din.
Yung tayo pet, puro mo siya ti umunan sa sudah tati hilig ko eh.
Business manager, we have 4, Ms. Grace Basing. Service at Arms, we have 3, Mr. Alan Aniban, John D. Macnas, and Mr. Banasen Alvarujan. And we have the municipal coordinators, Balbalan, Mr. Tim Ryan, Ms. Joyce Henry.
His mother is from Gilayon, Tabuk. He began his early education at Asibangan Elementary School and later attended STS Pinokpok for his secondary studies and served as a convent boy. Yung paslahanot. Determined to break down. Okay, go on. Okay, determined to pursue higher education.
Yo yung plano yung mit. Yung next unupisya. Adin you stand for understanding of any what happened, the obstacle of this association. And C, one of the C is your creative. Kandita ko ay lasan an amay kabunian ta indita ko gan nadan sitod awa dyan na ulnuan di asosasyon di Ikalinga District 1 kanana siya abos di
and global overseer Bishop Rachel Tungalaw we extend our
I'm rising where I'm leaving. I get over long, let my heart dream.